So what's really going on with this municipality? Trending topic on YouTube, which is the touch point of all this area in Costa del Sol. This is a flat city, walking distance to everything, that also they will be developing luxury villas, they will have a spa and many amenities. Close to the beach, you will have to pay. Welcome to Manilva, probably the most controversial municipality right now in Costa del Sol. Some people don't like it, but yet prices has doubled down. You can get units for 235,000 on resales, and yet close to the beach you will have to pay 1 million for a new development. So what's really going on with this municipality? Trending topic on YouTube. Stay tuned, because in this video you will actually understand what's going on and what this can represent for you for the following 3 years. We are here in Puerto Marina, which is the touch point of all this area in Costa del Sol. But for you to get into context, Manilva municipality has at least 18,000 residents, and its population has grown in the last 10 years in a 25%, taking into account that 40% of new purchases has been done by international foreigners. But it's really important to understand that Manilva is not just Puerto Marina. So Manilva has a few different areas, starting with Manilva town, that is up to the hills, and it's actually where you can find the city hall, main institutions, and this old style of living on the Spanish culture. But also you have the big area of Savinillas, flat area next to the sea, where you can have all kind of amenities. You have the Lukesa area where we're located right now, and to the west you also have nice beaches like Pla del Castillo and so many others. From Manilva, that is in between Estepona and Soto Grande, you're just 15 minutes to Estepona, 20 minutes to Soto Grande, 65 minutes to the airport of Malaga, but also 35 minutes only to Gibraltar Airport. We're now in La Duquesa area, which is one of the most valued residential neighborhoods here in the Manilva municipality. Why? Because you're still 900 meters to the Puerto Marina, but also you have all these top urbanizations that have been before in a very good shape, with stunning sea views in some of them, heated pools, gyms, outdoor areas, and still you can buy some of them for 235,000 euros. And also, due to the evolution of the area, you're getting new developments being built like Alonia Manilva. You can get a 2-bedroom unit under 400,000, frontline golf, but also with side stunning sea views, with a lot of amenities and a very top appreciation in the following 2 years' time. We are here right now in Pla del Castillo, which is one of the most iconic places in this municipality, and the best example of a place have been here for decades. But at the same time, due to the evolution of the municipality in the area, you can still find urbanizations that's been here for 20 years with the starting prices. Actually, we have got some of these to our clients in 235,000, with the top amenities, services in good shape, and sea views. But at the same time, just 100 meters from the castle, you can get new developments like Vestamare and especially Nubai, that actually you will have to pay 1 million to get one of these seafront properties, that also they will be developing luxury villas, they will have a spa and many amenities, because it's one of the last plots that is seafront line here in Costa del Sol. But what is actually really happening with Manilva in the last years? In 2019, the price per square meter in this municipality was about 1,400 per square meter. Nowadays, the average price that is going to be reached in May is around 3,000 per square meters. It's over the double in the last 4 or 5 years. Why? Because it's a natural process. Estepona was the relay of Marbella, and Manilva in the last 3-4 years has become in the same Estepona effect. like that municipality had 4 years ago. So these kind of prices we have right now here, even though they're double, and the all kind of variety of units, resales, new developments you can find like Moon 64, Blue Marine, Alonia Manilva, and many others is the best example of what you can achieve now and to wait in 3-4 years a capital gain or a top return on the investment, or even if you want it for yourself, like the same that happened in Estepona as a relay of Marbella. That kind of prices like we have here right now stopped in Estepona by 2020. So these kind of prices we have here, you can get it actually right now, but it won't be last for the following 3 to 4 years. In a different style to the Duquesa and the castle, we are right now in the Promenade of Savinillas. This is the seafront city of Savinillas in Manilva, and it looks like actually Estepona and some other cities like Fuengirola used to look 4 or 5 years ago. This is a flat city, walking distance to everything. You can buy some seafront properties under 400,000 even with active rental license, and you have everything at your doorstep. Pharmacies, gas stations, restaurants, cafeterias, hospitals, schools, and so many other activities. This is still a bit of more Spaniard concept. The culture here is amazing, but once you come here, you will realize this is still like a few years ago of the gross progress. Some people will expect to really compare this area to Estepona, Mijas, and so many other municipalities on the coast. In summation to this video, if you're still looking that next opportunity to invest or even to relocate here in Costa del Sol, Manilva can be that place. If you're willing to invest in the culture and the concept is being developed here and will be fully developed in the following 4 or 5 years, maybe you should have a chance right now to get that price locked that will mean a lot for you and your money and your life in the following years. However, as an honest intake, Manilva will never match Estepona. It's a whole different structure, and Manilva is a little bit more of coastal town. It doesn't have the space to build this fully city like Estepona is. Manilva is just the starting of the transition up to Soto Grande and Cadiz. More mountains, more coastal line, and at the same time a little bit more of wide nature. If you would like to know more about this location, what it has to offer, and what you can achieve here, please be in contact. Let's do an online meeting, and I will see you next time, but here in Spain.